Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I want to cover TAO USDT. This is one of my favorite cryptos right now. We actually longed it here. If you're in my Discord group, we caught the exact bottom here on this shift pitchfork that I have. And right now we're up around 10 to 1. I do expect the next target to be around 660. So here on the normal scale, we're getting exactly at this low here. Algorithm started buying from this median line. So this is a very powerful pattern to enter cryptos with. If we go on the log scale here, you can see the next fib target we have is around 660. If we go on the daily here, we have a perfect 1-2 wave bottomed here at the 0.31. Here actually I missed the entry. So what I did is I saw the bounce here, confirmation that the fourth wave was in. So you go here to the 4 hour and I start looking for entries. So the way I do it, I found the high here, the low from the 0.31 and then here again. So you can see perfect entry we got in here. You can see here in the Discord group, I posted here market buy at the median line. And my first target is at 400, but then I changed it since I see how bullish the overall crypto market is. So the next target is 660 for TAO. So this is a very good crypto. You can still get in now if you want to hold spot, because I do believe we're going to go much higher. So this is one of my favorite cryptos right now. Even if you buy right here, the minimum target would still give you a 76% return. We're probably going to go much higher. It all depends on the other cryptos right now. Here I want to cover Bitcoin again. Since yesterday's video, I told you guys that the next resistance will be this order block here. We had a nice 1-2 wave from the lows 3, 4, 5. So right now here on the 2 hour, we are testing resistance. We got a small pullback, but it looks bullish here. So for Bitcoin, we just need to close above this area here, which probably looks like we're gonna do it unless we start getting a pullback. So we're still finishing the fifth wave. After that, I do expect a small ABC correction. Maybe not so low, maybe it will be like super small, something like this. We'll just come down here at 42,100 again before then Bitcoin takes off. So as soon as we come above this, there's no real resistance after this order block. So Bitcoin will just go cut through this like butter, because if you see here, there's no resistance at all. So it looks very bullish here. So this is very important level to start looking to scale into altcoins. And of course Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is going to be the main driver. But if you want to look for better performing, then I would advise to go into altcoins. Also here on Ethereum, this is our last resistance we're testing right now. So here from the second, so we have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I don't believe this is the fourth wave. But in case we start pulling back here and we start getting a impulsive leg down, then there's a possibility this is the fourth and we're going down. But this is just the worst case scenario. Personally, I'm super bullish on Ethereum as well. We just need to close above this 0.31. As soon as we have done that, it's same like on Bitcoin. There's no real resistance. So as long as we can get above this, we're just going to cut through it. And Ethereum will start taking off and continuing the bull run. So here on the daily, it looks like a nice bottom here. The volume is not the greatest that I like right now on Coinbase, but personally, I don't pay too much attention on volume. As long as you look at the altcoins, they have started rallying. So I do believe Ethereum, as long as we can take out the resistance, is going to go to 4,000 next. So here on the weekly, we have this beautiful pitchfork that we have been respecting. So it's just a matter of time when Ethereum reaches this, because we are going to reach this median line. We have always done it in the past, so we're for sure going to reach it again. If we go here on Kraken, I like this pattern as this chart more since it has more data. So if you look here, if you might ask, why do I think I'm so bullish right now on Ethereum? Is if we delete this pitchfork and we go look from the previous bull market. So all we have to do is take from these lows here to the highs and then to the lows from the previous bear market, and we use again the shift pitchfork. You can see here Ethereum, it took a very long time for Ethereum to come up here, what we did, and you see these lines here acted as perfect last support. So we never broke these lows here. If we would have broken these lows, this would have been invalidated, but we got algorithm start stepping in here buying, and we topped right here at the median line. So this gives me a sign that this is a very significant low. So we're just gonna use the same low here to the highs, because this is actually the highs, and then here. So we're gonna get the similar pattern on Ethereum. So no matter what Ethereum does, we're gonna go here at one point. I do believe we're gonna go sooner than later. So I do think Ethereum is gonna start climbing slowly now, and we're gonna go up there. I also want to quickly cover Solana again, since we did make some nice gains. Similar pattern here on Solana. We have not yet reached this median line. I've been talking for it for weeks since we made this high here. I said either we have the third wave now, we'll go down, but we're gonna come up here at some point. So if we go here on the 4 hour, we can see here what we can expect. I have a similar pattern 1-2. We have yet not finished the third wave for Solana. So the third wave is gonna be here at the last order block here. So we might get a small pullback. So I will be looking to buy the pullback here. I'm going to look here from the second wave to the third wave, where we make it. And then I'm looking to the 0.31 to buy the pullback. Before then, Solana is going to take off much, much higher. So the next target for Solana is 150, you that follow me. If you're just going to buy spot, you can just market buy right now, because we're going to go higher. We're already at 97. I'm going to post for the members only that are in my premium Discord. I'm going to post my next leverage trade for Solana. Because what I'll be looking for is to buy some pullback, get a small entry, and then I can just aim, because when the bull market takes off, we're just going to go straight up. So you can catch this 20-1 or even 30-1 like we did on TAO. So Solana looks super bullish. It's one of the higher performing altcoins right now. We just broke out from this line here, from this nice descending line. Usually I don't look at this type of trend lines too often, but when we have these nice fake outs, they're very easy to predict. Usually we always get first a fake out, take out the lows, and then we'll get the real breakout. So overall, I'm super bullish on the crypto market. The only thing that bothers me right now is this Fibonacci here on Ethereum, but it looks like we are gonna take out soon. If you could, if you want to hedge, you could enter here a short with then a stop loss above this 31. So this could act as a hedge in case like you're long a lot of altcoins. So you can have this as a hedge in case we start dropping here. And if it takes out, then the bull market is just going to continue. So this is important to look at right now. But overall, as I said, I am bullish. I do believe the alt season is going to start. If we look at the total market cap here on altcoins, if we go to the weekly, something I've been discussing for a long time. Again, similar like on Bitcoin, the 0.31 acts usually as the bottom of the fourth wave. So we have bottomed here on the fourth wave, in my opinion. Right now we're going to take off quite rapidly, since there's no resistance here, and altcoins are going to make new highs. Similar like we did here last year, we made new highs here. I do believe we're going to make it the same. So we're going to come here at one point, and this is going to mean that most altcoins are going to go crazy. So it's really the place to be right now is in altcoins. Otherwise, I thank you so much for watching. I'll update you again tomorrow when markets open, or actually crypto is always open, but the bigger players are going to start trading tomorrow. So let's see what happens tomorrow, and I will update again with a new video.